right there. I mean, we were 6.2 year over year last month, and they're forecasting it to be 6.8 year over year this month.
What happened here with my? Didn't it enter in here either now?
Did you get stopped out?
No, I have on my other screens.
I wasn't looking at the screen when you entered.
No, Zach said I didn't do in this screen, so I took my other because all my other screens are full with it, and I look in here like, why is this one's not? Well, anyway, I'm almost getting one off.
So I'm going to be wide awake for 8:30 tomorrow morning Eastern and trade the heck out of that. And then at 10 o'clock, you've got consumer sentiment. So those two together will make for an interesting morning.
Oh, yeah.
That'll be a fun Friday.
I was hoping for some news from Canada.
Oh man.
I swear I had when I looked at the screen, like, what happened? Did I get stopped? I swear I had entered through here as well. That's so weird. I don't doubt you, Zach. I doubt myself. I don't doubt you at all. We are going to. Last night, me and the wife, we were talking. We're gonna buy few acres. They has like four lots by my in-laws' house, and the two people wanna sell it. So we're gonna buy it there, and we're gonna build a house there.
By your mother? Is that
Nice.
what you said?
By my
Or hers?
mother-in-law.
Oh, okay.
So this way, they have 20 something acres there.
Gonna have an
Uh,
oversized basement put in?
yeah, they are gonna put in a basketball and everything. Are gonna do everything. and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it like a sports center. I'm gonna put in a football field. I wanna put in a not a full size, but
Yeah,
I wanna
just
put
like a
in a
practice area.
yeah tennis court. I wanna put in a basketball to the outside, and
A friend of mine did that. He put in two full-size tennis courts, a full-size basketball court, volleyball,
yeah,
and a freaking Olympic-sized swimming pool.
we might put in a pool inside the house
He
since
was
it's
uh,
so high.
he was an attorney working for TXU. And then they got bought private to Texas Energy Future Holdings. So most of his life he lived like a freaking poor attorney. And right before that happened, he was promoted to what do they call the top attorney in a freaking company, general something. But everything vested at like 3x what what it was supposed to. And he went from being, living like a
Mediocre.
living like a he made good money, don't get me wrong. He made good money, but he lived broke. But as soon as he just got, millions and millions dumped in his lap overnight, yeah, they decided, hey, we're not going to live in this $200,000 house anymore. We're gonna go have something nice built, and that's what he had built.
Yeah, we were talking about last night, and her mom and dad called because if we didn't buy, they were going to buy.
Yeah.
And my wife likes to do things like that. I told you guys before, so yeah. The
Nice.
only issue that I have, they don't have internet there on the area yet either. So that's the only thing that
So you're gonna call and cancel your fiber install to your
yeah,
current place then?
yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't know if I'm gonna do that because that would increase the price of my farm. And
I don't think it would increase it that much. It
I
might
need
though.
to check. I
You
need
know
to
what?
check.
It would attract people like me because we're specifically filtering houses based on whether the description notes if it has fiber or not.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I am too, but wouldn't come up with that. And but I'm not gonna cancel because the two of the lots people used to put it tires and put a bunch of stuff in there. So I'm gonna need
Yeah,
to clean it up the entire
dress
lot.
yours up a bit.
Yeah, I need to, and I wanna do myself. So I get busy. So I'll buy a bulldozer or something and start cleaning.
So I know this guy that was getting ready to sell some property, and the neighbors didn't really take care of theirs. They had crap sitting out in their yards and everything, and so he actually paid somebody to come and clean his neighbors' properties
Yeah,
to increase the resale of his.
that's smart. That's smart. I just got sipped.
And I have thought about my auto sip came up, but I keep looking at that thinking it's going to hit my profit target.
I got one. How many do you had? I had three
I
blocks.
got two. Yeah, I've gotten 2 out of 3 off.
I got
I guess I
one
could.
of the three blocks.
Guess I could move up a little bit. I don't have to be way down here.
I just didn't want to do it in case the open. I didn't want to fight against right by the open.
That's a good point. I think I will just let it sit me. Yeah, that's what it was, Coley. General counsel. He was, yeah, head of general counsel. That's what that title was. And then that company was later bought by Trinity Industries, and they wanted to keep him, and so they paid a bunch of money to keep him employed. Now he's a general counsel working for Trinity Industries. That Harvard MBA of his has certainly freaking paid off. Not Harvard MBA, Harvard law degree.
I was going to
That
say an
he has,
MBA. What?
yeah, master in business administration, MBA.
Yeah.
Yeah, he and I think three brothers and his dad are all Harvard grads. He's the only one in his family that's not in um, ATF licensing. The rest of his family does alcohol, tobacco, firearms licensing.
Tell them to hurry up on my suppressor. Fuck.
Well, they're lawyers, so they're doing it for the
Oh,
companies that typically sell those things.
yeah, I'm waiting on my tax stamp for a suppressor right now, and it's been like
Yeah.
4 months.
How much was that? A couple $100?
It's just for a 22 I'm building for one of my kids. I think it was $400 plus the $200 tax stamp.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's a one-time fee, right?
Yep. Yeah, just one time fee. You get a little stamp and a little form, and then you got to carry that piece of paper with the suppressor, or you can take it to a laser engraver and they just engrave the number on the side, and then you're good.
Oh, yeah, that'd be the way to go.
Oh yeah.
So last time I read about Trinity, they were expanding into wind, right?
Yeah, they've done that. Yeah, they had him. I don't know which part he's at now. When he first started, they were having lots of issues with their railways, and they had him working through those. A lot of people haven't heard of Trinity. They're a lot like GE. They're a conglomerate. They are massive and into so many different things. Just gonna close this. This is getting sketchy. Choke that stop up right there. And if it pops up again, I'm gonna choke it again. And again. There, it got me.
And now it's going to take off.
Right, it actually hit my profit target. I went to move it up to get the the trail closer, and it shot up and hit my target. It was basically plus, roughly 6 ticks either way. I really question this 120 if it's a, looking at the 120, are we making a pennant right now, which would be a bullish pattern in this case.
I have time to go back there. Let me see here. Uh, what I was looking for this here could it be the symmetrical triangle, right? In here to make a flag to keep on going up. 'Cause
Yep.
this could
Yeah,
be
that's
right. If
yeah, that's what I meant by a pennant. It's basically a triangle shaped at the end of a long pole.
yeah,
And the way those often work when they play out, it might take a little while to do it, but that thing will run the length of the pole again.
that's what we are talking about, guys.
Yeah. And so we've got this long run up. We've got that final high. Then we've got this low, a higher low, a lower high, a higher
Mhm.
low.
Yeah, at first I
That
thought this
that's
could
very
be a
frequently a
M.
continuation.
Yeah, I
Yep.
thought
I
would
did
be
do
a
it first.
M, but then because the momentum on the 120 is down, but
Yeah, 'cause I think a lot of those pennants turn into AB equals CDs, don't they, Doyle? Or because of the fact that
They can. Yeah.
a lot of the
Yep.
times it reprints out the length of the pole.
Yeah.
and if you guys
Yep.
look in here too, we've been on this consolidation here for so long too, right?
Wow.
Check this out. On this area, if we put
Well, aren't we at the top of the left shoulder
no, we are
on
not
the
on the
daily?
we are not on the top, no.
Yeah, we're not on the top. We're basically we're in that freaking range that
Yeah.
we.
So this is the that's what was we are doing right now. Here's this area, but we are not able to break this trend line right here, this purple trend line. When we break it, I think we're gonna go up a lot. But let's go through it. We have time. Yeah, we have about 7 minutes. Daily still turning to the upside, right?
Yep.
Momentum is following. We just saw 120. Let's go to the 60 minutes. It's kind of hooking to the upside, but not yet. So we might have a consolidation day here. Let's see. 30 minutes is sideways. And this 30 minutes, I can see this triangle here. I hate to go that far, but we've been played this triangle here.
And that's basically the one I was talking about earlier, Lou.
Ah, okay, cool.
But my bottom line was started at the B point, yeah, and went up to where price action kind of
Ah,
is
okay,
now.
gotcha. You crossed through
Yeah.
here. I did not, when I did this, I did not have that.
Yep. Oh yeah.
So I was thinking that might come back down to S1, or the pivot
Oh
point.
yeah.
That's why I captured that trend there. But this trend here is a very important trend. This brown and purple, you all should have those. The brown came from the all-time
Yeah.
high,
Yep.
crossing through it. Let's see, 15 minutes is up. Uh, 5 because I have 3 and 10. I hate when it's mush like this. You cannot see very well. It's up. 5 minutes is up and has been going up as we come sideways here. We might catch up on that. Again, another day that I cannot point it out what I'm biased as. I'm gonna read the candles and see your take us. Doyle, did you watch Yellowstone again? And
I did.
I did. Yeah,
Watched two of them.
seasons or
No, two episodes. They're
uh,
freaking an hour long.
yeah, yeah. You see how much shit happens, man. You're gonna be hooked into that.
I'm watching that and I'm going, you know what? I can't write any of this behavior off because I've seen it.
Yeah, right?
I've seen how these good old boy networks work.
Oh yeah. That was my life, brother. Right there. My wife looked at me, is like, why I can see your dad on that? Like no comments.
I do think he deputizes cattle agents a little too easily.
Oh no, man. You need to those guys are like I don't want to say things here because we are on
Yeah,
YouTube again.
yeah.
But we'll talk later about that.
4 minutes. 4 minutes.
Would be nice if we get a spike down so we can get in and ride it up, or a spike up. I hate to short though, but we'll see.
I'm not inclined to short. I mean, my big fib set is set up like is set up like it is short, but
Yeah.
my two nearer term ones are set up to help me go long.
Check the 3 minutes. We are right at
Oh
the
yeah,
possible B point, to cross. If
yep,
it cross, that will be the B point.
yeah. We're
And
at the B point, and that's 41% retracement for the of the X to A.
340.
That would be a really nice looking. What is that? A
Yeah,
bat?
check
Yeah,
out
bat.
127 will be right at the view app.
Just above it, the daily pivot. Oh gosh.
What?
Totally. Speaking of One Direction.
1 minute, maybe 30 seconds.
The market's been moving kind of slow. I don't think I'm going to look for my 20-point scalps. Uh, I might shoot for one, and then I'm going to probably pivot to 15 point. I'm very curious how this potential D-leg plays out.
Yeah. Ding, 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 ding.
Yep, 14 seconds.
Jesus. A lot of buyers here, huh?
Took it.
Nice. I didn't hesitate a little bit.
I'm going to sip kind of early. I don't want to give this thing a chance to get against me.
Nice trade, man. I'm gonna wait for a bounce or something. Yeah, like that.
Went to VWAP and reversed.
I think it's gonna come a little bit lower.
Not a lot of sellers push that down. Not many. Re-entering.
Ah, shit. I took all the profit. That's not what I want.
Second target hit.
I got all my three target real
Third target
quick.
hit.
Yeah, it's like, damn it.
All right, that is a horrible downtrend right there. That is a heck of a freaking candle there.
Yeah, man. Our
Approaching the
beeline.
188 of
Yeah,
this harmonic though.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. We
I'm
are.
not about to go long again. Not without a pullback.
And touch my yellow trend, actually Brett's trend line there. I'm gonna get in here and put in a bigger stop.
Tap the 188.
Oh, I forgot the 188. I'm gonna accept this shit.
We're showing no sign of divergence yet.
Nope.
And bats normally turn around as high as the 261.
Downfalls. 3 days. Downfalls over 160 points. I am gonna try to hold this. See if it's a directional day. 227 here. I expect a bounce off the
Take this bounce here for a quick
a quickie.
try.
Oh, Robbie's in the house. Let's poke him in the eye. Oh, today's a much better day than the yesterday. Holy shit.
I'm gonna let it grind against me. Wait for it to get up to this 100% retracement.
Remember, this is the trend line, the downtrend line. I'm gonna move this. I think this is gonna be directional day, Brother.
Might be.
Uh, this is my trend line, the downtrend line, and this purple, guys, is the shoulder, the daily shoulder that we need to break, okay? And I took profit on my other accounts. I just have two accounts on now. Hopefully I have enough not to come back and hit me.
Hit the 261, which is also a double top.
Yep.
Mine did not reach the 261. Almost, but did not reach it.
I got mine.
Yeah, okay. So
Yeah, it barely poked it.
might be bad position then. I don't want to change anything right now on my screen. So
Yeah, I wouldn't.
I'm hoping this to be a flag and continuation up. 30 seconds had some divergency now there, the hook, but oh, beautiful. Don't let go against you now, okay, Doyle?
Oh, not going to.
Okay. I saw you were short like earlier, but I now touch my 261. Let's see if I wanted to break this. And did you notice that I put it dotted?
Oh, did you? Oh,
I sure freaking right there. Look how easy went through. That's
yeah, yeah, yeah.
downtrend from the all-time high, guys. This downtrend from all-time high, and the purple is the shoulder that we have not able to break through it as yet.
Let's see if I've got the name right. Parabolic move. Is that right, Roby?
Yeah.
I don't know what you guys talking about.
You know, you've got a falling knife goes down,
Oh,
parabolic
oh,
moves go
yeah,
up.
yeah, okay, okay, okay.
So, only pay attention to very key price levels and, don't let it go against you. You're trying to basically catch a falling knife.
Did you guys see the Chinese moon rover saw is a cube in the distant background and it's going over there to check out what it is
No,
on the moon?
but it would not surprise me, to be very honest.
You say
I
what?
think we're incredibly naive to say that we're alone because of all these freaking, when I was in the Navy, I heard a little bit about what our pilots would see and what our ship captains would see out at sea. But now all that stuff's becoming declassified. And we've got fighter pilots being left in the dust by what can only be described as the UFO. They can't describe what it is. They just know that they know that we don't have anything that can bank that fast, accelerate that fast, and move without killing the pilot.
Yeah, exactly. I just posted the link there. If
What
you
is
want
a
to check it out.
mystery
Pretty neat.
hurt? What do you mean?
A hut,
Hut, hut,
miss
yeah.
the hut. Yeah,
Oh, okay.
like it's way off in the distance, so they're headed over
Oh, I
there
know
to
what that is.
check it out.
I know what that is.
All your
Gosh,
base are belong to us.
oh, there was a freaking TV show about these, this dad that kind of raised these mutant kids, and one of the kids was like ridiculous strong, and as more pressure was applied to him, he just got more and more strong. So the solution was to move him to the moon, a low gravity environment, and he lived in a little
Hey guys,
trailer thing
hold
on
on,
the moon.
hold on. The purple trend line here.
We broke mine.
Yeah, mine too.
I caught dang. You talking about what? The shoulder?
No, that purple line from the top.
Yeah, yeah, we broke mine.
The shoulder or
Yeah,
the downtrend? The
the
downtrend broke.
downtrend.
The
The downtrend.
downtrend
Yeah,
broke.
downtrend broke.
Yes,
Yeah.
Oh,
but
yeah.
now this is the shoulder that we have not broke yet since the all-time
See,
high.
Uh,
see.
Oh, I see. It just has a really deep right neckline. Okay.
If you look, we could not break that show. If you look at the head for the all-time high, uh, we did not break that shoulder line for nothing yet. Like right now, we just bounced it again off that. So I don't know why, but it's doing this. And that's kind of pissing me off.
well, that was almost a 100-point opening move.
No, that's not my point.
It's okay for it to make a flag after moving 100 points.
Oh yeah. If it's a flag, I just don't want to come back and, you know, kick me out of the
Freaking
game.
bullish harmonic just played out on the 30-second.
Oh, and it's a 6 to
Yeah,
1. I need
probably
to.
wants that B point down there. That's a good B point down there.
Ay, 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 ay.
Momentum is so freaking strong. I don't know if it'll make it there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That would basically
It's messing
retrace
with
the
Lou.
whole opening move.
Yeah.
If it moved up a little weaker, I could see that happening.
Mm.
I want to break that purple trend line, man. I truly want. I'm itching here to buy like 200 contracts just to see this thing pump a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Mm. Like a little kid. Mm. We have no divergence in the 3 minutes yet.
Possible, well, I don't know. Neckline's a little deep. I started to say possible head and shoulders.
Well, the XABC that we planned prior to the open worked out, so that was good.
Well, the D legs formed. We
Yeah,
still haven't made its way on a profit target yet.
to the D point, to the B point.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And that B point's, what is that, 80 points down? I don't know if it's
Mm-hmm.
going to do it.
I don't think
I think we've
it's
just
gonna
got
do it.
resistance at the downtrend line here.
Yeah, I got here my other account I got on the rest.
Yeah, so it could be to break that top line there, an ascending triangle on the hourly or a half hour, whichever one you look at, I guess.
I wanted that purple freaking trend line. That's what I want. If I break to that trend and stay above, I made my day. That is, that is, that is. You can do it. Look at that, man. Does not allow it to go above that. It's unbelievable. How can a freaking trend line be so powerful?
Lots of people are watching it.
The Zach, the break you wait to retest, right? Um, Will be very risky to get in now to go long. Uh, I don't know. If he scalps, I'll scalp short now, if that makes any sense. And to go long, you're gonna need to get a retest of the yellow trend line while my cursor is there to go long again. But from here, I'll scalp short. Even not do anything right now is good too. That's not mean that you'll be looking
Hmm.
for to short, to short, to short. I'm not saying that now. The any play that I have in here is back to the B point, right? We don't have anything above here. And we've seen in the past that we cannot pass through this purple trend line. And I'm back and forth and like take profit, not take profit, take profit, don't take profit. But leave me there. I'm here a little not knowing what to do right now. Um, do we have another report at 10? Is that right?
Tomorrow. What? No, yeah, we do. uh, Wholesale inventory. 50% retracement of our opening move.
I got sipped to my other account.
Thirty-second B point was hit. Guess you can see it on the 1 minute as well. Could be a flag.
retesting that broken down trend.
Yeah, and it basically just retraced to VWAP also.
Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it looks like it's gunning towards that B.
Yeah, right there's the pivot
It
point
is.
as well.
And it reversed up there without really diverging the way it should have
Yeah.
for this type of
Yeah.
pullback.
Yeah, those 3 minute candles, giant wicks up there too.
Wow, man, it's gonna retrace 100% of the.
Sure the heck looks like it, doesn't it?
Yep, I short the
Mm-hmm.
the trend, the yellow trend. When I got sept, I shorted. I took 2 blocks out, and I have 1 block to take profit at the B point, and my SIP as a 365, which I'm probably gonna get sept. Let's see.
It could just be a ABCD down, guys.
Mm-hmm. I think tomorrow, CPI numbers.
Yep.
I wonder
That's
if,
going to be a big deal this time.
yeah, I wonder if we're
It's going to
sitting
turn a
in
bit
this,
between now and then.
yeah, this like 15-minute symmetrical triangle. I wonder if we're just going to sit around in this until tomorrow.
That could be.
Yeah, I'm gonna get sept. Yep, just got sept on my last block. I still think has some down. I think we're gonna get to that B point. Yep,
Oh yeah, there we
there
go.
it
Come
is.
on down.
Man, we're like 2 points
I
away.
thought that was a strong ass B point.
Yep, it
Yep,
is.
and 100% retracement from the open. Just came to sip me my last one to come down to my profit target. Bitch. That's okay, that's okay. Holy moly, man. That was almost 100 point drop. I am not touching anything as right now until I see another pattern.
Yeah, if it wants to stay in this symmetrical triangle, it's going to have to find support about 10 points below.
Okay,
Oh yeah, I like that line.
15. Where is that
Yeah,
at?
if you go to
Which
50.
line is that? I do have this trend here that's being retested right now. that's the 30 seconds downtrend.
I've got the 15-minute from yesterday morning going up on support, which makes the 15-minute triangle, and then the two lows from this morning.
Oh, I see what you're talking about. Okay, I'll put it on this screen and throw in there. Where did you put it with your wick?
Let's see.
I'll show you in here what I have in here.
Got it starting at
That's what I have right here,
9, like 4:35.
right there.
Yeah, I'll do the 1 minute, make it more precise. Yeah, 9:38. Attached to 10:49 yesterday, and then it's 3 times in the morning yesterday,
Okay,
and then
I
today it's hit it like 3 or 4 times. It's broken it, but it hasn't held below it.
yeah. I do not have divergency on the 3 minutes yet, or the 10 minutes is hooking to the downside, but the candles is telling me that's gonna go up from here. But I do not have divergence. The 30 seconds showing me some. And when it's moving so much like this, I don't want to add it. But the 3 minutes has no divergency.
What do you mean, no divergence?
It's straight down.
Oh, to go up. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, we're actually more bearish from at least from a histogram perspective now than we were at the open. But
For
I agree, the
sure.
candles are telling me this is a flag of some sorts. It's
Yeah.
also a 5-wave move.
Still not convinced that this isn't an M on the hourly.
Yeah. We were talking about the AM today. Those AMs are messing it up a bunch. They're getting in a symmetrical triangle, build a symmetrical triangle, and come back, and the AM does not go down. But now and then happens, so it's one of those things. Ah, damn it! I should have take believe in my candle. That's the problem. Like when you know the candles, and but the I don't want to say technical. The momentum is not the same as the candles. I always try to pick the momentum, not the candles, but I'm missing trades doing that because the candles appears to be right. At least to give me a time to put a sip on it. I'm gonna get in here and I want to put in my stop under the red trend line here. Okay, and the sip. Ah, ah! Don't come back. There you go. Yeah. I was like, I'm gonna be mad if you come back down and don't hit me. You see, I can read these freaking candles. I can take all the momentum, all the volume, everything out of here and just give me the candles. I can do this all day long. Just look at the candles. But when I add it to the freaking all this together, sometimes throw me off. I'm not telling you guys to do that either, okay? I'm talking about my weird way to do things. Oh, this might be that a little inverse right shoulder, Greg. What is that
Mm.
dinosaurs that had little short hands?
The
The
T
T Rex?
Rexes.
A T-Rex, yeah. What's a T-Rex here? Look, work.
Lurex.
Lurex, yeah, you got it.
Not only do you learn to trade here, you get a history lesson.
Yeah. T-Rex. Oh my goodness, Zach. I think Zach has uh, a GIF, GIF, not that GIF set on his side. Every time we say something funny, he right there, boom, he posts something. You know, I think he does. I don't know how he does so quick this shit. Oh man. All right, gonna try this another one here, and gonna put in here. I want to put on this B point here, right under this B point.
Have a very clear opening range. Make sure you guys have fibbed that.
Oh, you know what? You're right. I was playing this to the B point here, Doyle. I'm assuming you were too. Going up to
Yes,
B
trying
point.
to.
Yeah.
It'll it'll quit resisting.
Quit resisting. Give up.
This could be the right shoulder on the inverse.
Yeah.
It drops down below those wicks. I'm going to let it sit me.
No. I just added another one.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. But I'm on ah, this is my outside. I can add it more and more and more and more. But I think it's gonna give us. It's just being temperamental. That's all. It's too many things here now. Is the pivot point? Is the view app? Is that trend line? And I think we need like a nice push through it, like a bam. There. Now go for it. That's that.
Yeah, it looks like Marky Mark is in the wrong. He's in the open access training and not on the trading floor.
Is his
He's
subscription?
in his trial.
I'll move him here then. Maybe he's like nobody's talking.
Well, he accidentally left the server while in his trial, and so that might have messed something up.
Yeah, I don't know.
Instead of just signing out, he left.
Yeah, he left. I don't know why he would do that. I'm not liking this anymore, though.
Yeah, I agree.
I wish I'm like you. I do like you do. Like I agree. Poof, out. Like I'm gonna fight. I'll let stop on this one here if it stops me, and I'll fight to get
Holy
back.
crap.
What?
It's a flag on the 15 minute, a bear flag. It's malformed, that spike.
Do you think so? Damn. Now maybe a ABCD needs to hold this.
Yep, this is the bottom of the triangle.
Yeah, there it is. possible making another D leg here, guys? What do you think? Let's see if we break this down.
That'd be interesting for a D leg to form here, make a shark pattern, go up and take out that B point up there, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, we're right on today's downtrend too.
yeah, right here. If you break this down trend, I have one take profit and the pivot point, and another one at the B point all the way up there. See if that would work. If it doesn't sip me prior. I got sipped in one.
Possible inverted head and shoulders.
Yep. It's so freaking funny. It seems like knows my sips, you know. I think like a lot of people, I guess.
Yeah, I need to wait for a setup.
Yeah, same.
Yeah,
What's that?
I don't think that B point we're gonna get to that B point, man.
I think we are. I think we're just gonna shake the hell out of this area. What are the other time frames telling us?
3 minutes is still
120
down,
is
10 is down.
yeah, yeah. The 120 is doubled down, so the 120 is making bearish moves.
Yeah.
60, check engine lights on.
The only thing that I don't get it is the candles are not telling me that, you know? The
I
candles
agree.
are telling me that you wanna go up. So that's what is making me. minutes is turning to the upside now.
Maybe an ugly inverse head and shoulders there.
Could be.
It's not uncommon to have, consolidation at a pivot point for a harmonic.
Hmm.
That could be what we had going on down there.
I'm gonna take one off here. Almost there. What's going on? My my take profit changed to yellow. What the heck's going on here? I'm not liking that. Nope. Okay, hold on. What the hell is going on, man? Now I'm back. Oh,
My trade copier was on the new contract date this morning. That screwed me up.
now I position.
Ooh.
Holy fuck. 75 contracts, guy, going downhill. Oh, fuck me. Sorry, YouTube people, I don't want it to. I cannot even my positions. I cannot even lock go out of there, and I'm
Oh.
afraid to turn it off. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Is anybody having any issue at all? My Ninja is completely down right now.
I got some kind of weird error a minute ago and it said atomic order or something and put me into two positions and I just closed them immediately. I don't know what it was.
Hmm.
Mine's yellow. I cannot log back in.
Oh, your connection.
Ninja Trader's been good. A trading view is a little slow.
I cannot connect back in.
Do you have a phone number for Ninja maybe?
I don't, but I'm gonna find out right now. Oh, the good thing is everything on my end, everything is, I have proof, let me, cause I'm recording. The only problem is I have those two open orders that, and now it's saying that I have one active, like, is yellow, and I said to disconnect, I say you have one active order. Do you really want to disconnect it? That's freaking me out. I don't know why, but mine is not Lilu or anything, and why I'm not getting in. How is the market doing? We're still downhill.
Yeah.
That's bouncing back some.
Oh, I can look on your guys' screen. Okay. And because my orders. Fuck.
What are you trying to get that to, Doyle? What's your profit target?
Oh man, that's killing me. I'm hope that don't go back there. Don't go back to the where my supposed open orders are. Shit. You know. What the hell is going on?
Inverse head and shoulders here.
Yeah, 30-second.
Hmm.
Are you guys taking any trades? I'm not able to do. If you guys could talk, because we are on YouTube and
I'm
uh,
having problems too. I don't know what's going on.
you having problems too.
Yeah, like I went long and was in profit, and then all of a sudden my live accounts closed. My sim was still going. It's the leader account to my trade copier. And my live account's closed, and then they reopened as shorts, and then I was short in my uh, live accounts and long in my sim account, and I didn't touch anything. I didn't do anything. I wasn't even looking at my
Yeah,
computer.
stuff's going on.
Like, it didn't even get close to my profit targets or anything like that. It just did that.
That's what my dad, and I have running shit that I cannot touch anymore, and I'm sick of my stomach, brother. I'm sick of my stomach.
It's coming up. See, atomic order operation in progress. What is that?
I just sent them an email because you cannot fucking talking to nobody. What is that? Well, now it's an error. Automatic order operation in progress after order sale 5 limit. Shit, block. I just sold a block. Oh, for the love of God.
Yeah, I would. I tell them that you have it all recorded and tell them exactly what happened.
It just gave me this error and opened up positions. Like, I didn't open those positions. Like, it gave me this error and it made me short.
That's what's happened with me, but now I'm doing fucking N kills and 5 blocks in each account, brother. That can destroy my
Yeah,
account, you know? Oh,
yeah. Like, I hit flatten and it got it out, but it sent me negative. I don't know what the fuck's going on. I don't know if it's the trade. No, I don't know if it's trade copier, ninja, rhythmic. What is it?
We are on the downtrend for the day. If it breaks here, you can take the breakout, or you can wait for it to break and take the retest. And now we've got divergence on the 1, the 3 soaking up. 30-second looks good.
I guess Doyle is doing the same shit, because he's quiet. I don't know if he's doing.
I'm
Oh, I
not
was
sure.
muted. I'm back.
Are you having any issue?
I'm having no issues.
Fuck. Oh,
I'm
good,
having
good. But
My son
bad
can't
things.
connect, and Rhythmic says that there's even just Rhythmic itself is messed up because the working orders window doesn't say that he's got any orders working. But when you look at like the line that says, here's your account balances and stuff, and open positions, open orders, he has one open order listed there. So I think there may be a rhythmic issue happening to folks.
I
I
don't
just
have
know it
Reminic.
keeps open.
I know you don't have rhythmic, so that's the only thing I can think of there was that volume indicator messed up.
Rick.
Yeah.
So I'm fine with my rhythmic. There's no issue.
Are you?
Yep, no issue at all.
I just got a handful of cancel pending.
And you know how many rhythmic I have up.
Flatten out, doing flat everything, man. Don't let. I'm fuck. I want to throw up. I'm that. You guys have no idea, and how much money I might be losing it.
Did you call them to flatten you?
Yes, I called and nobody answering or voicemail or leave a message. I text, I email,
Seriously?
and
The emergency trade desk isn't answering the phone?
he's not answering calls due to shortage of
Would you like some good news?
what?
The good news
Oh,
is we've recovered almost all you lost.
Well,
No,
that's if
Looks
he's still long.
looks
that's
like an
my
inverse head and shoulders on
yeah.
the way up.
because I got
Oh, versus if it reversed or whatever.
yeah, I got the because I have to take profit, right? So what about if I got stopped and I still have the open orders, or man,
Um, is that the phone number you called right there, Lou, that I posted? The 24-hour emergency trade day?
I have on my phone. Hold on.
And I'm trying to close out a Ninja just to restart it, and says
Yeah,
you have 49 active orders.
Well,
I've got none open. I got no orders open.
yeah, it says you have 2 active orders you really want to shut down. Well, I don't have anything active.
that's what was happening with me, but was
Yeah,
my it was block of fives, you know. So I have 5 blocks of fives and 3 different accounts. So make that.
yeah.
So 25
49
times 3, basically.
active orders.
And it won't let you go into orders and try to cancel them.
It doesn't show the orders.
Doesn't show
Like
the
if you
order,
look
so
at
you
my
Oh,
cannot
positions,
cancel.
oh
oh,
Jesus, that's stupid.
So just something to think of for the future, Lou. With your size of an account, couldn't you request like an agent that you can always contact?
I had, and for so long, actually, I can send him an email. I have one. They sending me one person that taking care of me. A long time
Right.
I keep
Yeah. I mean,
having problems, and I'll send him an email.
yeah, because I would think with your size account, they should put you up there. As
They did,
As
they
a
did.
VIP, almost.
They were very nice. They put me in the sign up person, and he always called me and everything else, and let me send him a message.
Yeah, I'm in another Discord, and I have guys on there saying that they're having rhythmic issues as well.
But that's the issue. I don't have Remnant. I don't know why I'm having this issue.
I don't know because they're saying it's connected to NinjaTrader 8 as well. So I don't know if it's just a Ninja issue that's now they're not letting them connect to their rhythmic, but they're having issues with their trading on NinjaTrader.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, one thing I've noticed though, when I do start to have problem with Rhythmic, I do not want to hit the buy button or the sell button. I want to hit the cancel all button.
Yes.
Yep.
Right.
Yeah, because I've done that in the past where I was like, oh, I need to cover. And then I hit buy like 2 or 3 times and nothing happened. And then when the market comes back, when data and everything comes back on, I'm like, holy crap.
All right, so I reloaded or re-upped NinjaTrader, and at least those when I go to close out this time, the it doesn't say you have 49 open orders. It's all zeroed out, and the things I couldn't X out on my trading screen, they're gone too. Just FYI.
Mine's just yellow. Does not connect. Does not let me connect.
Hmm.
I send the guy David an email.
Closed up my Ninja and opened it back up, and now I can't get connected. I can't get a connection.
Do what?
I closed my Ninja Trader and opened it back up, and now I can't get connected. Like I
That
can't get a connection.
that's what has happened. That's what happened. That's what exactly what happened with me. I cannot get connected with my Ninja trade continuing. I cannot get connected.
Okay, my Continuum connected after I canceled it and tried again. See if I can get my Rhythmic to connect. My Rhythmic's not connecting.
We just hit a B point. If you're still long, I would take a little bit off.
I hate to do that, but if something happened with my account in here, I'm gonna need to find a new place to put my money on. I'm not gonna be with Ninja. I'm so pissed right now that I cannot freaking see straight. How big was the swings down and
Um,
up?
so I don't know exactly where you were. I think you were around 330. It went from 330 down to 253.
100 points then.
But right now it's back to 302. So it's made up all but like 30 points so far.
It wants to retest the 15-minute triangle, which is another 10 points to 319.
I cannot.
I've got that.
Yeah,
It's
it looks like
open, Ninja opens, but you know that circle that go round and round and round, that's all I get. I cannot click on anything.
my 5 and 10 minute momentum are starting to turn as well, so it looks like we could get some power up.
That's why I'm worried about it because my concern is came all the way down, it hit my stop, and now it's gonna go all the way up, and my take profit was not canceled, you
Well, if you're
know.
not
Oh no,
connected, I don't. If you're not connected, I don't know if your stops or anything
I
will
don't think they
trigger.
are.
Yeah, I don't think they trigger.
They did. Like I closed my
Yeah,
one
they'll
of your,
trigger.
yeah, they all triggers in the system. You send it the order if your order is sent, they
Lou, does your
trigger.
stop not cancel all orders?
They do, but my concern is because the issue, don't trigger the automated thing, That's my
Yeah, I gotcha. I understand.
that's why I'll be losing close to, I don't know, 300-400 points, and I want 15 NQs. Shit.
That puckers my butthole just thinking about that.
Yeah.
It's broke the immediate support. Might be coming in for a retest of the downtrend.
And I hope to God did not do like Greg did, multiply by 4 or 5, you know? That's why I'm freaking out here.
Yeah, no kidding.
90,000 to $100,000 I can handle easy. But Jeff, no, I do have a page for to get any ninja. It's a web page, but it's just to position, not position, nothing to do with the trade. It's all related with the account side, the money side.
So I just got a text from Apex. We're aware of
We're
issues
yeah.
with Rhythmic data at this time. The issue is on Rhythmic's side and they're working on it. Thank you for your patience.
I just got the same text message.
So, um, Lou, you might want to, especially since you trade big, you might want to pay the fee for CQG data access. I think that is Continuum, but there's Ninja charges like an extra $15 a month fee or something for you to be able to access the CQG mobile app. And you can see all of your orders, all your positions, everything in the CQG mobile.
Ah, yeah, I remember I did that once. Um,
So you might want to do that then.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, because that's probably the only shot you've got if they don't call you back. So NinjaTrader just came, or Rhythmic probably just came back online. We might see a surge in shorts from people exiting prior long positions in a panic.
I don't have anything yet.
Are you long, Doyle?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yep. About to kill it and pick it up a
mm.
little bit lower because I think it's trying to get a bounce in down here.
Guys, I'm gonna walk for a little bit, okay? I'll
Yeah,
be
man.
back. I'm too frustrated right now.
killing it. You know, on that hourly pennant that we've been making, this is too early for us to break out of that thing, I think. I don't think we're quite to the last third of it just yet. Uh, we won't be in the last third of that thing until tomorrow. You look at the opening range, and it's kind of funny because we basically played the top and bottom of that pennant.
All right, my rhythmic's back up, and I just heard the cha-ching sound, and those 49 orders popped up again.
Can you close or cancel anything?
There's nothing on my positions board, and there's nothing on my charts, nothing.
P&L, P&L still the same.
No, they're red. Um,
It's red because of the orders they gave you.
yeah, and
Interesting.
it's nothing, horrendous, but still, 50 points.
right, guys.
Hey.
Always something, right?
Hmm.
Always something. No, I do not have access yet to my account. Um, I'm still in the dark. And nobody's sending me no emails or anything, so.
Hmm.
Yeah, he does, but it's not his cell phone, it's a direct phone. I left a message. He probably is getting, you know, a bunch of people calling him,
Bombarded,
I'm
yeah.
assuming. Let's see. Doy, are you short? You're long?
Short.
This could be a VLAC to a bullish harmonic.
Yeah, I was thinking if you look at the 10 minute, or I guess it's pretty clear on the 3 and 5, this could be a fifth wave. This could come down and bounce for a wave 5.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah, 10 minutes, right? I get it. I think I got in because I'm moving now. Hold on.